Hi, Dan from QuikTap, and I'm going to show you how to use and install our single-use cylinders on the QuikTap tabletop dispenser. To get started, let's unbox the regulator or remove it from the keg. Turn the black dial on the top of the regulator counterclockwise all the way to the off position. With the regulator in one hand and a new CO2 cylinder in the other, gently screw in the cylinder clockwise. Do not cross-thread. At this point, turn swiftly and hand tighten until the cylinder is seated securely. For demonstration purposes, I'm using the 74-gram CO2 cartridge. The exact same process can be used and applies to nitrogen, 18-gram as well. If you need to agitate the keg, or when you're in the cleaning process, please make sure to remove the entire regulator assembly. To remove and replace a spent cylinder, remove the regulator assembly from the keg and reverse the process, turning the empty cylinder counterclockwise until unscrewed and detached completely. You can always tell if a cylinder has already been used if there's a puncture hole in the top. These single-use cartridges are not refillable. However, they are recyclable. Cheers.